Hey loves, thank you so much for tuning in, and today's video is on this black gothic, so I feel like I can give you watch out. Oh lord, I love this look because it looks fierce and spicy, but it's simple, quick and easy. So let's get started. I'm going to do my foundation first without my eyebrows, which is well, we'll see how it goes. I'm using my Zaron Healthy Glow foundation, you know the drill, and a damp beauty sponge. For my contour, I'll use my black opal stick foundation in Carob. To highlight my face, I'll use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. To set my highlights, I'm going to use my Nye Banana Powder. To set my entire face and my contour, I would use my Zaron loose powder. This one is in the shade LZ25 for my contour, and to set my entire face, I'll use my Zaron LZ20 loose powder. Back, I did my eyebrows off camera and I primed my eyelids. So I would use a regular black pencil and just line my waterline, and I would smudge it down my lower lash line as well. I'll take this black eyeshadow from my Morphe 35B palette using my Morphe E36 detailed crease brush, and I'll set that black liner we just applied. Next up, I'm going to take Reach from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'll use that to further smoke out my lower lash line. My camera shut off whilst I was filming, so I took the shade right here. It's a lavender shade from my Morphe 35B palette, and I just applied that in my inner corner to serve as a base for the glitter that we are about to use. For this look, the glitter I'll use is the EA Beauty glitter in the shade Lifer with my glitter glue. I'm only applying that in my inner corner. Let's go in with this shade called Chestnuts from the Morphe 3502 palette using my Sigma E40 blending brush. We want to bring some warmth and smokiness to the crease. We don't want to just leave it there. Next, I'll use this color called Rich and just kind of cool down the warmth in my crease a bit. And to finish everything up, I'll take this shade called Spice from the same palette. It's almost like a flesh tone brown, so it will give my brow bone highlights and my crease color something to merge into. For mascara, I'm going to use my Benefit They're Real mascara for my top and bottom lashes. Lashes, I'm using my Voan Beauties Lashes and my dual lash glue. I'll apply that off camera and I will be right back.
2,000 years later.
And the tones the big lord.
Highlight, I'll take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and I'll use my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. To set my face, I'll use the LA Girl Pro setting spray. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, all good things must come to an end. This is the end of the look. I don't know, I feel like leaving the scarf on. I feel like it's a look, but let's take off the scarf and see what we look like underneath this glam. Whoa, okay. Spice, flavor, yes. So guys, here is the completed look. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, you know. And remember, to thy own self be true. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Revi. I'm feeling myself, guys. Hey loves, thanks you. You know the drill. Let's start. I love this look so much because it looks like fire. It looks spicy. It looks